Hi friends, let me show you this new bedside rail that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed to help you get in and out of bed and, to prevent you from falling, to assist people that needs it. Let me show you how it works. Here you have the instructions, okay? Let's put it together. You have all the parts are numbered, so you can put it together easily. You see, the numbers help you to install it. Okay. You can adjust the height here. Okay. Okay. And it has a small bag to put something that you want. Okay. Perfect. Now we are going to install it. You want to put this underneath the bed so it's firmly installed. Let me show you. You also get these safety straps if for any reason you think you need it. They are optional. I'm not going to use them because this bed is heavy, so it will give enough support to it, okay? So what you want to do is to lift the mattress and insert this. And you want to install it wherever it's comfortable for the person that is going to use it. This is the highest position. If your mattress is slimmer, you can put it lower. So when you are going in and out of bed, you can help yourself with it, either to don't roll from the bed, okay, or to help you to get up, or to help you to sit down and get in bed, okay? So it is useful if for any physical reason you need support like this. This is a great option for you. Thank you very much. If for any reason you think you need the safety straps, you just want to put them like this, and you will put all the way to the other side of the bed, and you could tie them to the bed's other side or screw them or whatever mean you have to secure it. These are optional, as I told you, but if your mattress is a large, heavy one, you really don't need them. Thank you so much.